Have you ever come in a scenario of when it comes to that of machine learning, for example, then a scenario where we want to just get a subset of what is called a random number. We don't want to know what the random numbers are. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is called sampling. Sampling is a function in this random mode. What it does basically it does similar thing to this of our choice that we talked about. We talked about in our earlier video. This sampling is mainly used when it comes to machine learning scenario. It's also useful in a real life scenario too. We can also use it in our basic real life scenario. For example, we can just decide to make a choice of 3 random number that we did not know, or 4 random number, 10 random number that we did not. We just don't know. Just want to just make them. So that's what basically I want to do in this video. So let me just comment this out. So let's create a new variable. Box is going to be similar. Let's create one just numbers. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, let's say 10. I think this should be more than enough. Remember that it can only be numbers that will be here. I can also have other things also here. So let's create a variable called var. We can say random what does this sample is going to do. You can see it takes what is called, okay, let me go here. You can see it takes what is called the function. It takes what is called a population. A population is going to be a sequence and an abstract or set, and then it's going to take what is count. How many do one? So the first one we're going to take is a variable, which is going to be our box. If you want to put this box inside here, okay, what is wrong with this? So let me put box inside here. Let's make sure you don't want to put this box inside here. This box variable, you can just copy this and then come here, put it. So it's just the same thing, but I think I'll leave it in this way. And we're going to put the number I want to generate. Let's start with 3, for example. So let me print out var. You can see I got 3. Why did I get 3 displayed? The reason I got this 3 is because I said 3 instead of to print our variable, which is this var. I mistakenly said 3 here. So let's run it again. You can see I got 9 4 2. This just sampled this I can say shuffle this our box and then just got 3 output for, because we said 3 here. Let's say I want 4, for example. You can see I got 4 7 10 8 6. So if you can increase this to the amount you want, as far as it's not bigger than what is inside here, because there's no way you can come here and put 400 when inside here you have only 10. So it doesn't just seem to make sense. So just put the amount of number you want to be generated, random number you want to be generated out for you, and just make sure that it's not bigger than, or it's not more than what is in the length of the box they are trying to access those numbers from. So I think this is just basically, and the whole lot of uses of this case, like I said earlier, using machine learning, also what kind of statistical, when it comes to statistical analysis, this can also be used. Let's say you want to get a subset or of a particular class or a particular population. This can be used where you want to do random sampling. This can also be really useful. But when we start doing our machine learning videos, when I start doing machine learning videos, we are going to make use of this random.sample. We are going to understand it pretty more. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's really necessary. So make sure also turn on the notification bell, so when I start talking about machine learning, when it comes to this aspect of random.sample, you'll be the first to see. So I'll be happy to see you. Thank you for watching.